Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear lovely friends, in this video, I would like to say something about in this video. Okay, so let's get start this video. So, dear lovely friends, now I am standing here at this moment. You can see in our behind side a paddy field, so look like green and very beautiful, and in our behind side one village and one hill, actually very amazing scenery. So overall this sky actually, and sky all cloudy, and overall this scenery so very green and very mesmerizing scenery. Okay, so now actually evening time, and this sky color is wow amazing. Okay, and evening time actually lots of birds surfing, and birds surfing actually evening time and morning time. It's the very amazing, and birds surfing my favorite. Okay, so dear lovely friends, today I have come to here in this field, and because video making purposes I have come here, and I have when I have come to here at that time I can see so actually paddy field quality so very good. After 15 days ago I have come here. I had come here this paddy field quality so not for good, and today I can see our paddy field quality is so very good, and you can see all around side actually this paddy field all around side actually protection for any cow and like goats cannot eating this paddy. Okay, and so that's why protection actually fancy this paddy field all around site. Okay, so dear friends, now I am return to my home, and this paddy field I visit, and look like very good. Okay, so dear friends, if you learn speaking English, and you can practice practically. For example, now I am standing video making. This is the way for speaking English learner. I am also beginner. You can also practice this way daily making video. I also daily making video for practicing purposes. I am not for video making for any cost. Is very beautiful way for learning English. So that's why I have daily making video, and I'm making video for English practicing purposes. Okay, so now our video actually 3 minutes completed. So thank you, bye bye, next time, see you.